Hey everyone, welcome back to Codicel. Today we are deep dive into this world of numbers, okay? And so this is our given problem. So if you want to give it a good read, you can pause the video and definitely read out this problem statement. Meanwhile, let's understand this problem. So basically what is given over here is a set of test cases and each containing a number n. And our task is basically to find the sum of the digit of each number n. Didn't understood? No issues. So let me explain this.
Yes!
So see, we have just given this input 1 and here we have given this number 2, right? So this 2 denotes the number of test cases. So here we have 2, this means that we are having 2 test cases. What are they? We have 5 and second test case is 1001. Now we need to find sum of their digits. So currently here we have 5, so the sum of 5 is 5 only, so we get 5 in the output. Now this is 1001, so sum of digits of 1001 will be 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so we get 2, right? Let's see another input. So we have given another again 2 test cases, so 1 2 3, so 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6, so we are getting 6. And similarly 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 is 23, we are getting 23. I hope you understood this problem, and to better understand you can read out this explanation. Okay, so meanwhile let's go to our approach to solve this problem. So what we will do, we will take the input for the number of test cases t, then we will loop through each test case. After that we will, for each test case we will initialize a variable sum, which is initially will be 0, and then we will use a while loop to extract each digit, okay, and then we will add them into this sum variable, and finally we will print each test case. Easy peasy, right? Okay, so let's see let's write a program for this. Okay, so we have wrote our code, so let's understand what we are doing here. So first we are basically creating a method, okay, to basically find the sum of our numbers. Inside this we have created a total sum variable which is initially initialized to 0. Then we are using a while loop which checks if our number is greater than 0. If our number is greater than 0, we will extract the last part, 10th place of it. Means here we have 1 2 3, okay, so we will extract 3, then we will extract 2, then we will extract 1, then the number will become 0 and we will exit out of this loop. I hope you understood. Okay, so we are doing that exactly here, and once we did that and we added it inside this total sum variable, we are returning that. Okay, now what we are doing, we are taking the t from the user, so user will tell us how many test cases are there. So in this scenario we are having 2 test cases. Okay, now when we are using this for loop which iterate from I till the range of t, so we have 2 test cases, so it will iterate 2 times. Okay, now what we have to do, we have created this variable n and we are taking integer from the user for each test case, and then we are passing this value to this sum of digits variable. Okay, so what it will do, it will find the sum of it. That's what we are doing. Okay, so let's run this and see whether we are getting the expected result or not. So what are our inputs? So 2 5 1 0 1. So let's give it 2, then give it 5, then give it 1. Okay, so here you can see when we give 2 5, okay, so this means that we have 2 test cases and first is 5, so sum of 5 is 5. Now let me give the another value 1, so that is 1001, so the output is 2 for this. Okay, Now let's see what is our second input. So our second input is 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 8, 9. So we have two test cases. We have 1, 2, 3 first input. So 1, 2, 3, so 3, 3, 2, 5 और 6 will be the output, yes. And then we have 1, 5, 8, 9. So 1, 5, 8, 9. And this will give us 23, yes. So this is, we are expecting 6 and 23, and we are getting 6 and 23. So our code is working fine. Let's see what optimization we can make here to make this code more efficient. Okay, so let's see how we can optimize this. So for optimization, this part will be same, but for this part, the method, we can change this. So what we can do, we can basically use the sum function, okay, and we can use the for each loop to iterate through each number and find the sum of it. So this will make our entire process much easier and concise, or easy to read, I can say. So let's write that approach. Okay, so we have wrote our optimized approach, and as you can see, we have wrote like the entire summing statement into a single line, which looks neat and clean. Okay, and this is much more efficient than this one. Okay, now, and the second part is almost same. So let's run this and see whether we are getting the same results or not. So let's give the same input. Okay, first we will give 2. So we have 2 test cases. So our first input value is 1, 2, 3. It will give us 6. Now the second input value is 1, 5, 8, 9. 1, 5, 8 and 9, and this will give us 23. And see, we are getting the same results as above. So this is all about this video. So let's sum up this. So what we did, we know that in this problem we have given some test cases, okay, and we have given some integer based on those test cases, and we need to find the sum of their digits. Okay, so what we did, we first understand this problem carefully, then we write our approach to solve this, we convert that approach to the code, then we keep our input and output which was given in the problem statement, and we found that we are getting the expected results. We then try to optimize it, and after optimizing we write our optimized code, and then we give the same input and we get the expected result. So this is how we basically solve this problem. We have learned how to calculate the sum of digits in a number using both non-optimized and optimized solution. And I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Until next time, happy coding.